Hello my dear students, this is Shilpi Saxena. Welcome to my channel Learning Hub. So today we are going to move ahead with creation of series. In this video I will be covering creating series using arguments, in which arguments will be range, to list, missing values and dictionary. Then I'll tell you how you can access elements of series. So first of all, creating series using range. First of all, you have to import Pandas. After that, range is a function which returns the integer within the specified range. Means when you will suppose I have to create the series as pd dot series. I am writing range. In range, we give upper limit and lower limit 2, suppose 6. So in this upper limit is exclusive, so it will return the numbers from 2 to 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, comma, if you want you can specify index is equal to, suppose I am writing index 22, 23, 24, 25 and bracket close, print S1. Now what it will do? It will print the index 22, 23, 24 and 25. 2, 3, 4 and 5. D type will be integer 64. So if you want, you can give string values also in the integer, in the index. Like here I can give A, B, C and D. As it is string, you have to use inverted commas. Here what will be printed? A, B, C, D will be printed. Now the next thing is creating series using dictionary. So if you want, you can create a dictionary. Suppose I have a dictionary with the key 1 value Python, then key 2 value C++, key 3 value Java, key 4 value NetBeans. So this is a dictionary with 4 values. So we can convert this into series by using pd dot series D. So what will happen when you are going to print series S is equal to series S? In that case, the key will be converted to index and value will be the value of dictionary Python, C++, Java and NetBeans. In this way it will be printed, and D type will be, that is data type will be object, because it contains the string. Suppose I have written, instead of C++, I have written 4 here, then also object, this data type will be object, because we have multiple data types. So all the values will be converted into object data type. Next thing is creating dictionary using missing values. Missing value means, suppose, see children, this is very important, that series, we can change the value in the series, but we cannot change the size of series. So initially, suppose I am declaring a series in which I know that I want to use 5 elements. Okay, but currently I have value of only 4 elements. So because we cannot change the size of series, so I will insert value of 4 element, and 5th element we can insert NaN. That is not a number. This is an argument of NumPy. NumPy is a library which is used to handle arrays, and it has an argument NaN that is not a number. So it will assign the memory to the particular element, and afterwards you can insert the element there. So when you will use this NP, in that case, how you can define a series? pd dot series. After that you can write 1, 2, np dot nan, after that 3. After that, if you want, you can mention index. Suppose Index is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. So how it will be printed? First of all, index will be printed 6, 7, 8, 9. After that 1.0, 2.0, NaN and 3.0. So when we are using NaN, the data type will be converted into D type will be float 64. So whenever we are using NaN, if you are using integer, it will be converted into float data type 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. Index will be whatever we have mentioned. So in this way you can create a series with missing values. Next thing is accessing elements of a series. Suppose I have a series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I want to access the elements of a particular series, so you can write print s followed by the index. It has a positive index. Same as list. If you have not seen my video of list, please do see that. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So you can give the index either positive or negative. Suppose I am writing 3. In this way, you can access the element of dictionary by mentioning the index of the series. So if I want, I can mention the index also. Index A, B, C, D, E and F. So we can have string also as index. Second method is using slicing. Suppose I want to access multiple values. In that case, what we can use, print s, suppose 2:5. So this is the index. Lower limit is inclusive, upper limit is exclusive. So it will print 2, 3, 4. So what is the index associated with it? B, C, D and E. Upper limit is exclusive, that is F will not be printed. B, C, D and E, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way it will be printed. Similarly, if you want, you can have negative indexing also. And suppose I am writing -3:, after that upper limit is not mentioned. So -3 means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. -3 means starting from 4, and because upper limit is not mentioned, so till last 4, 5, 6. That is D, E and F. In this way it will be printed. Similarly, we can use only the upper limit. Print S. Suppose :3. Upper limit is exclusive 3. Means only these two values will be printed. 1, 2. The index will be A and B. In this way, using slicing, we can access multiple elements of the series. So I will demonstrate this on my laptop.
So now I'll tell you how you can create series using range. So we'll start. This is a Python window. Import pandas as pd. Then s is equal to pd dot series. After that in range and suppose 2 to 9. So after that you can print it. Print s function f5. You can see here it is printed. I'll just close it so that you can see. Again I'll run it. Now see, so many elements are there. Default index is also given. For better understanding, I'll keep it from 12 to 19. So upper limit is exclusive. See, in this way it is printed. Now if we want, we can give a step value also, comma, suppose 3. Again, see here, this is a step value, using step value. Now if I want to give index, I can give index also, comma, index, as there are 3 elements. Suppose I want string index, comma, B, comma, C. Now I'll run this again. see here. See, integer type is still int 64 because this data type is of values, not of index. So next thing is using toList, which I did not explain on the board. I'll show it here. So suppose I have toList, one I'll take it for values, same thing I'll take it. Suppose I'm taking it this one, L1 is equal to this one, and L2 I'm taking this one, L2 is equal to this. In series I can take L1 comma L2. Now if I'll print as, you can see, so we can use toList to create a series. Now next thing is we can create a dictionary series using dictionary also. So instead of list we will be using dictionary. Okay, I'll take same thing, 12, I'll take A comma 19, I'll take B, and suppose 3, it's okay, I'll take C. Now if I'll print it, what will happen? See, series, this is dictionary, not list. I'm giving name D. Now we are converting dictionary to series. Now see this, invalid syntax. Okay, this is, sorry I missed it, it's dictionary, that is why curly braces. Then this, now function F5. Now you can see in this way it is printed. The next thing is accessing elements of series. Suppose I want to access any element, we have to write in a square bracket the index of that particular value. Function F5. See, A was the value linked to 12. This was linked to 12. So A will be printed. Suppose I want this 3. So function F5. Okay, C will be printed. This is the last value that is printed. Now suppose I am writing 0. That does not exist. That is a default index. Then what will happen? You can see here it will generate an error because that index is, it was default but we did not use it. We have changed the index. Okay, now come to slicing. For slicing I am taking the value, suppose series, I am taking value suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I am taking index is equal to 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. Here also I'll take 6 element, 27. Now if we want to print multiple elements in the series, suppose this is the series and I want to print multiple elements in the series. Here if we will print, so you can see here print S function F5. You can see, I'll just close it, then you will see easily. Function F5, you can see this is the key, this is the index and this is the value. But if we want to print multiple elements, we have to use default index. Okay, so what you are going to do, write S and then index. Index, default index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose I want to print from 2 to 5, 2:5. In this case upper limit is exclusive. Upper limit is exclusive means here this 5 index will not be printed. So what will be printing? Starting from 2, 0, 1 will not be printing. It will start from this 3, 2, 3 and 4. Yani 3, 4, 5 here and index 24, 25, 26 here. So I'll run this. You can see here. See, it will be printed. So default index is used. Similarly, if you want, you can just remove the upper limit in this. In this case, starting from second index, everything till end will be printed. You can see here. In this way, it is printed. Similarly, if you are going to remove the lower limit, starting from 0 till one less index will be printed. 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means till here. Till here everything will be printed. See here. Now if you want, you can go for negative indexing also. If I am writing minus, delete, if I am writing minus 3 to minus 1. So negative index means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So from here to here upper limit is exclusive. So that will be printed. Now you can see here, just a minute, minus 2, function F5. Now you can see only 2 will be printed. In this way you can use slicing in series. So I hope you understood how you can create series. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.